Hey guys, and welcome back. My name is Bronte and today I'm going to be showing you how to get this party look and with an ultra smoky eye. So I've gone extra glam. I've gone a real black smoky eye today, which I don't do that often, and just glam all over with a nude glossy lip. So if you're not already, make sure you subscribe, and if you would like to see how I got to this look, then please keep watching. Okay, so I'm starting off with, I've already done my foundation and ignore the under of my eyes. I haven't got concealer on yet, but I've got my eye base done and my eyebrows done. So I'm going to go straight into doing the eyes, and I think they're going to be super extra. And sorry if you can hear any noise, it's raining outside, so very loud rain. So I'm going to go straight in with the 24-hour color tattoo right here, and it is in the color 100 Dramatic Black. I mean, I've always been taught not to go too ham on the black, but today that's exactly what we are doing. Get it good on the brush and then just start applying from the outer corner. Obviously this isn't the most blendable stuff in the world, but it's going to take a bit of working, obviously. So working it towards the crease, making sure to get it into the lash line. Yep, it's looking really neat, really good. Then I'm just going to blend it with this little brush right here. It's like a concealery brush. And I'm just going to blend it a little bit. It's not really going to blend too great, but it'll blend a little. Then I'm going to grab the Maybelline Nudes palette. I'm going to grab the black. Gonna pat that over the top, just more in the outer corner, just patting that, and then like into the crease. Grabbing this more fluffy blending brush just to sort of blend it in a bit more. I'm going to go into the same palette. I'm going to grab a bit of this brown and just go into the crease a bit more just to start blending this out. Not really trying to go up or anything, I'm just trying to smoothen the black out. I need to sort of put a bit more of the black from the 24-hour tattoo in the outer corner, so I'm just going to grab a slightly smaller brush, and then I'm going to apply it from the lash line in the outer corner a bit more, because it's not really an even triangle. And then I'm going back over with the black again. Then I'm grabbing a bit more of the brown to sort of create more of a transition color. It's this brown. Trust me, I'm going to clean it up. Don't worry, don't worry. Then I'm going to grab the Blushed Nudes palette, and I'm going to actually use the darkest shade in the palette. It's got a bit of a purple shimmer to it. I'm going to apply that more on the lid in the inner corner area. Just going to apply it directly with my finger, just so it's not so like bluey black. It just has a bit more purple and a bit more shimmer, if you can see that. I just went and cleaned up the eyes a little bit more so that they weren't so messy, just with some micellar water. And I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Conceal, and I'm going to put that to conceal under my eyes. Just blending it in. And I'm going to use the Maybelline Matte Maker for under my eye area, and this is in Classic Ivory. Then I'm going to use the Maybelline Shine Free Loose Powder in Light 01. Just going to put a little bit of extra powder under my eyes. Then for my brow bone, I'm going to highlight using the MasterChrome, my favorite 100 Molten Gold, which I literally use all the time. Oof. To look super poppin', poppin'. Just going to use the Master Precise Liquid Liner in black to create like a little bit of a wing. Then when I'm done with that, I'm just wiping away the powder that I had on before. And I'm going to do my lower waterline with the Lasting Drama 24-Hour Gel Pencil. And I applied that all in my waterline. Then I'm just going to grab a small like smudger brush. And I'm going to start trying to blend it sort of across the my lower lash line. Just using that little bit of black liner that I put in my lash line and blending it across. So it's really dark in the outer corner and then lighter in the inner corner. Just zoomed you guys out a little bit. I'm going to bronze and contour using the Master Contour Palette. I'm just going to use this brush right here. I'm just going to start on my forehead and then go around onto my cheeks, of course. And brushing it into the hairline because I want to look quite bronzed. Then for blush, I'm going with more of a coral colour, so I'm going to use the Master Highlighter Blush, and that is in the colour 30 Coral. Then back to highlighter, I'm going to use the MasterChrome in Molten Gold again. I'm going to grab my big fan brush this time. And then I'm going to highlight the inner corner of my eye with the same Molten Gold. Just so it pops a little bit more, not so ultra dark. For mascara today, I'm going to use the Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara, and obviously this is in the colour black. It's very thick, thickening mascara. Just layering those lashes up. For lips today, I'm going to go a bit more neutral, I guess, because my eyes are a bit out there, and I'm going to use the Vivid Hot Lacquer, and this is in the colour 64 Unreal. Love a good neutral nude. And there you have it. That was the finished look of the day. I hope you guys liked this ultra glam smoky eye, for this party look. Let us know in the comments below what you think and if you are going to do sort of a glam smoky eye maybe for New Year's that's coming up. So make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below, and hopefully we will see you all very, very soon. Bye guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this New Year's Eve ultra glam smoky eye drugstore makeup tutorial using all full face of Maybelline drugstore products. I hope you guys like these budget friendly makeup tutorials. Let me know in the comments below if you do like budget friendly makeup tutorials, and comment below if you will be doing a smoky eye for your New Year's makeup. As whatever you are doing, it always deserves a dark smoky eye look, especially for your New Year's Eve party plans. Of course, if you like this, please make sure you subscribe to my channel so that I know that you like it, and comment below what you will be doing for New Year's Eve this year. Thanks guys.